guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're new, my name is Tatyanna and I am about to go meet my friend. We're meeting at Barnes & Noble to just try to get some work done because when we're together, the ideas just flow and we're just brainstorming. It just all, like come together. I'm so hungry and I literally need to put air in my tire, so I'm just like, hopefully I can get all of this done and like without being late. I gotta put the address in my GPS because she lives in North Broward, so we're meeting in Plantation area. So I'm trying to need to find the address. So is it this one? No. There's so many Barnes & Noble. This is my first time vlogging with my vlogging camera. I bought a gimbal, as you guys saw in the mirror. So hopefully this helps me, just be organized, and that way I don't have all this stuff in my phone like how I did when I went to Dubai. That was horrible trying to get all of my videos off of my phone. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get to Barnes & Noble. Hey guys, it is now Sunday, so here's a quick outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this shirt from Forever 21. These jeans are from Ross, this purse is from Ross, and my shoes are from Shoe Dazzle. So I'm about to go to church, and then after I leave church, my friend and I were going to a museum, and I thought this would be cute for church and the museum. So I'll see you guys once I leave church. Hey guys, so I am about to head to the museum. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything, so I'm just probably should have got food, but yeah, I just got out of church and I came to visit my dad, so now I'm about to just head there. So I'll see you guys when I get to the museum. So we couldn't go to the museum because they are closed, sadly. So now we're about to go to Cooper's Hawk, which is a few blocks away. So as y'all can see, it's so many cars here. So we thought they were still open, but sadly we think they just parked here to go to the Fort Lauderdale Air Show. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to Cooper's Hawk, which I'm excited because I'm hungry and thirsty and I want to just be in air conditioning. I feel like my air is not air conditioning, I just can't. So I'll just see you guys when I get there.
Into my brown eyes, you see my lips always give me you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you, mold you, soul, just split you in half in my heart. I just
So I am trying to figure out what's where, and I'm literally just everywhere. So I have this blue and white like crop top, and I have these like wide leg jeans, and I kind of like the brown bag with this, but then I also have it in red, and then I have this really cute red bag. I don't know what to do, like should I do the blue or the red? I'm going to the Frost Museum with my friend, and then afterwards we're going out to dinner, so I'm literally all over the place. So I don't know what to wear. I'm literally like, I think this is cute, but is it like, you know, like that's the part that I'm struggling with. I may try on the other one and show y'all, like I don't know. But then I really like the blue. I think I'm gonna stick with the blue. I think this is cute. I don't know. But this is how like my makeup came out. I'm kind of like debating if I want to go pick up some lashes, because I feel like I'm just missing like you know, like since my hair is like straight back, just to help me like add a little bit of more girliness, you know. But yeah, this is pretty much my outfit. So I'm waiting in my car now for my friend. I just got here, and I guess they're having like a walk or something, but it's so crowded, and it was a lot of traffic trying to get in here. And every single time I come to downtown, I literally miss my turn and I end up going through the tunnel every single time. Like the tunnel to Port of Miami, like it never fail. Like you think I would learn my lesson by now. But yeah, so I ended up wearing this. Like hopefully I could get like a video of me with my whole outfit. And I did bring my vlogging camera, so let's see if I actually use it, because y'all know I always use my phone because it's just easier. But I did bring my camera, so we'll just see like if they allow it, because it is kind of obnoxious, so they may say something, but then again they may not. But I'll try to show y'all my entire outfit. But I'm very, very hot in this car, even though I'm like in the garage. So I don't know, hopefully it don't take her too long to get here, and that way I can go into the air conditioning, because I literally should have gotten gas. Like something told me get gas, but I didn't. So I literally drove here on a wing and a prayer. So hopefully I can get gas as soon as I leave here so I can make it home, because yeah, I need gas. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when she gets here. So we just got to the Rusty Pelican and I'm about to valet, but I wanted to tell you guys like really fast about the museum. Like, y'all, it was like, I want to say it was like a 6 out of 10. Okay, like it was just very disappointing. So I did go up on my score because at first I said 5 out of 10, but I'm here, so I'll see you guys in a minute.
You crack a smile. He asked if I could stay a while. I'm living that high life. Time to catch a flight, but you can make me go. Unlocking all the memories of my new home. Ventilated echoes playing to and fro, back and forth, yeah. Caught some kids dancing in the alleyway. Crazy how the melodies began